Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're interested in Amazon Prime but don't want to pay for a membership right away, you may be wondering if there's a legitimate way to try it for free. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether a free Prime trial is available on your Amazon account. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're signed into your Amazon account. Next, look for Prime on the Amazon homepage or open the Prime membership page. If your account is eligible for a free trial, Amazon may display an option such as Start Your Free Trial or another promotional offer. Click the available trial option to view the details. Before starting the trial, carefully check the trial length, membership price after the trial ends, and the benefits included with the membership. If you're eligible and want to continue, follow the instructions shown on the screen to start the trial. Remember that free trial availability can vary depending on your account, location, previous Prime membership history, and current Amazon promotions. Also, a free trial usually changes to a paid membership when the trial period ends unless you cancel according to Amazon's current membership terms. If you don't want to continue with the paid membership, make sure you review the cancellation options and membership end date before the trial expires. Avoid websites or people claiming to provide unauthorized free Prime accounts or hacked memberships. Use only Amazon's official offers and your own account. And that's how to check if you can get Amazon Prime for free through an official trial or promotion. Simply sign in, check the Prime membership page, review the offer carefully, and follow Amazon's instructions. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more Amazon guides. See you in the next video.